welcome viewers to another video. In this video we are going to discuss Microsoft Defender offline tool. This will be very useful to all the users who are dealing with some kind of system crashes. So what does this Microsoft Defender offline do? It is a scanning tool that runs trusted environment without starting your operating system. You can use it to scan your device for malware and viruses, especially those that are difficult to remove while Windows is running. This is a very fantastic tool, and to do that, let's check out the steps. Launch your start menu, go to settings, and under settings you will see this privacy and security. Click here, then go to Windows security, click on open Windows security. Now click on this virus and threat protection, then click on this scan options, and here you will see Microsoft Defender antivirus offline scan. So what it says, some malicious software can be particularly difficult to remove from your device. Microsoft Defender antivirus offline scan can help find and remove them using up-to-date threat definitions. This will restart your device and will take about 15 minutes. So choose this one and then press scan now. Once you press scan now, it will ask you to save your work because it will take some time to do the offline scanning, and then it will restart your device. So I'm hitting scan button now. If you are a local user, it will ask for your PIN and password. Just provide them. After PC got restarted, the Microsoft Defender antivirus loaded itself, and now the PC scanning have begun. So kindly wait patiently. It will take another 5 to 10 minutes depending on your PC's speed. So let's wait patiently. After offline scanning got finished, Defender automatically restarted your computer. So now you are good to go with your current activities. So please give a try and do offline scanning regularly. See you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.